What is going on, fellas? Do a little sticker shout out today. I have got a letter in the mail today. Let us find out who it is from. Oh my goodness, look at there. Bald Eagle 242, my buddy Steve. Steve Eagle, look at there. Ain't that a pretty letter? Boy, read that. Golly. He's got some cool stuff, man. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at that. Couple of cards, couple of stickers. There's my buddy Steve. That is so cool right there. And also, check out my buddy DNR Small Engines. Check him out. Steve, I got your letter back, but it's going right back out to you. Something wrong with the address, I guess. I don't know. We're going to figure out what's going on. Hey, let's go out here to the garage. I've got a Kawasaki, not a Kawasaki, a Kohler V-twin. I took off it was a Toro zero turn a couple of years ago. It slung a rod. I'm gonna go out there and take it apart. Let's see what happened. All right, fellas, we have got ourselves a Kohler V-twin. It's a vertical shaft. I got it sitting horizontal right now. I took this off a Toro zero turn a couple of years ago, and it's been in my shed. And this time of year I'm not busy, and I did an engine tear down yesterday, and it got me in the mood to dig this out of the shed. And I want to find out why. You know, it didn't have any compression on this cylinder, so I just pulled the head off. I've already got it mostly disassembled, but you see that piston right there? It does not move at all. So, I feel the compression on this cylinder, but this one was absolutely zero, so I knew it was something catastrophic had to be it. So, what I'm going to do, I've already got the oil drained out of it. I don't know what it is with the oil plug, but it's probably got some creepy crawlies living in it right there. I'm going to find out. Alright, let's pull this sump off of this thing, guys, and I feel like I'm losing my voice. Man, that thing, look at the mess it's already made, and I already just laid it there. Boy, this thing has been rode hard, and I mean, it is, look how nasty the fins are. Good God. Let us tear this thing apart, and I'll give you some close-ups. I am not going to worry about what bolts come from where. See, this bolt right here is different than the rest of them. This is a shiny new bolt right there. That tells me something. I don't know what. Strange. Just what I needed. Something I need me. Shoo, we can smell it. Lord. Let's see, I got one more right there. Alright. I believe that's all the bolts. Oh, one more right there in the goop. All that nasty goop down in there, couldn't even see it. Alright, where else is it hiding? I don't want to be beating on this thing looking stupid with another bolt in it somewhere. That one don't use gaskets either. It's put together with the sealer stuff. RTV, whatever it is. Alright, let's knock it apart. Give me somewhere to hit it. Gonna hit it. Yeah. Trying to keep my big head out of the view. There we go. That come off pretty easy. Golly, look at the metal down in there. Boy, that is good Lord. Look at that. Just metal. Aluminum. Look at that, there's There's a big piece right there. Let's take a gander. Good Lord, there's the connecting rod down there hanging out by itself. Look at there. Look at there. That's the mating surface there. Look how galled up that is. Phew. That is a catastrophic failure. Get that out of the way. Get a better gander. Let me get my flashlight. Good Lord, there's the piston way up there. Ooh wee. And this thing was actually still running. I drove it around the yard. When you engage it and hit thick grass, it would bog, which made me want to do the compression test. God, this thing was still running. Look at that. It was still running like that. Good. I'm going to pull that piston out up there. I don't know if I can. Let me get something to hit it with. Ooh. Well, there's what's left of the piston. Boy, it whooped that piston's ass right there. Good God, look at that. Wow. Boy, I think that, ooh, man alive. He said it wasn't running good. Well, damn, he had to have heard something. Oil ring is stuck, of course. That top compression ring is stuck. That metal was fine. God, look at that. Woo! Look there. There's his other cap bolt. That's broke, bent. Shit. Look at that. Yeah, that'll make it run rough right there. Well, that was fun. That thing's been sitting in my shed out there for a year or two, and I've been wanting to tear it apart, and I'm glad I got to share it with you. Man. All right, guys, y'all hang on 1 second there. Well, guys, like I always say, y'all be good. There's the aftermath of that. Ooh, boy, that thing's rough. Well, y'all be good. Tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern, we're gonna have the Doc and Dobie show on DLT Lawn Care Channel. Y'all don't miss that, boy. I tell you, we have a hoot. Have a hoot. Y'all be good, guys. I appreciate y'all watching these videos.